So first thing first, what you want to do is you want to, all right, what's step one? So step one would be you want to get a job or like get some type of income, get a job. I'm going to say get a job. All right, step two is after you get your job, you want to open a bank account. You want to go to a bank and open an account, a checking account or a savings account. Boom. All right, so then after you go to the bank, open your account, you want to get a direct deposit from your job into your account. So then every time you get paid from your job, you want to automatically transfer $25 or $50 into your savings account. So then you could put it on automatic. It could be a recurring payment. So every time you get paid, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, you want to make a set limit to $25 or $50, and you want to transfer that to your savings account every time you get paid, whether it's weekly or bi-weekly. All right, so then boom. So you got your job, you got your checking account, your savings account. Now the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna get you a secure credit card. After you done saved a couple dollars up, couple hundred, maybe 200, 300, however much you got now, the next step you're gonna be is apply for a secured credit card from Capital One. You feel me? So yeah, you wanna get you a secured credit card from Capital One for $200. Boom. When you apply for the secured credit card and you get approved, they're gonna take $100 and you only gonna have $100 to spend. But you wanna stay under the 30% utilization. So since you have $100 to spend, you never wanna spend $100. You always wanna go lower than that. So if you got $100 to spend, you only want to spend $30 every month. So every month you go buy a little stuff with your credit card until it adds up to about $30. Then boom, now you got your $30. You paying that off every month on time. So then after that, they're gonna give you your other 100 back. Cause remember you got a secure credit card for 200, but they held 100, so you only had 100. They're gonna give you your other 100 back. So now you got 200 to spend. And instead of you spending the whole 200, now you're gonna spend just $60. So now every month you spending 60, paying it all. Boom. Then they're gonna raise it to $300. Now you only want to spend 90. Like you keep going like that, so on and so forth. You never spend the whole thing. So they give you $300, you only want to spend 90. Boom. And you just pay that 90 on time. Then you're gonna go up to 400, and so on and so forth. You go up to 400, you only spend 120, and then pay that 120 off each month on time. Then boom. Now the whole time you're doing that, your credit score is going up. You probably at a good 750, 770, 760 right now. Because the whole time you're doing that, your credit is just going up tremendously. So boom, now you got your job, you got your checking account, your savings account, and your credit card, and your credit doing good now. Alright, so the next step would be start you a side hustle, start a side hustle. No, the next step would be stocks. The next step you want to invest into some stocks. And then, so you know how you were taking that 25, putting it in your savings? Now you're going to take another 25 every time you get paid and put it into stocks. You can make a recurring payment. It's a link called Webull. The link might be down below, but if not, it's all good. I might drop the link down below. It's called Webull. You click the link in the description, and then you just sign up for it, and then you'll have a stocks account, which is called a brokerage account. Then boom, after After you sign up for your stocks account, your brokerage account, then boom, now you're able to buy stocks. So you want to buy stocks like Apple, Tesla, Meta is Facebook. Like you want to buy stocks like Amazon, things like that. And then, or instead of just picking one stock, you can invest into all the stocks in just one company. It's called an ETF. So it's called, like, you could invest into one stock with like 500 companies. The S&P 500 is called SPLG, or you could get SPY. You type that in. You can even start investing $25 into SPY or SPLG or VOO. Whichever one of them three I just named, they ETFs, they got 501. Or like I said, you could do individual. Like you could just type in Tesla or Apple or Amazon, Meta, whatever. Individual like that. Whichever one you want to do. Then boom, now you got your stocks. So now you got your job, your checkings account. Now you got your job, your checkings account, your savings account, your credit card, and now you got stocks. Boom. Now it's time for you to start making a little more money. So now you want to do a side hustle. You want to just bring more money in, more revenue in. So whether you want to do YouTube, TikTok, DoorDash, Instacart, you gotta have a side hustle apart from your job because you have to bring in a little more revenue. So start your little side hustle. Boom. Start your side hustle where you make an eBay, sell on eBay, where you just making a couple little extra money besides from your job. So then boom, now you got your side hustle. So after you do your side hustle, now go apply for a business, which is a LLC. Get you an EIN number. But the business is last. I mean, you can apply for your business. That's the next step. Apply for your business. Get your business set up and everything. You know, get it trimmed, get it popping, basically. You know, market it, promote it on all social media, your business, whatever you want to do. Get an LLC for it. You can sell cupcakes, you can sell platters, you can cut lawns, clean, cut hair, do clothes, whatever you want your business to be. You can sell ebooks online, sell whatever you want to sell, whatever you want your business to be. You could be a mentor, you could, whatever. Start your LLC for it and promote it on all your socials. Then boom. So now you got your job, your check-ins, you got your job, your bank, your checkings account, your savings account, your credit card, your credit doing good, you got your side hustle, and now you just started a business. So boom, and you got your stocks. So boom. And you can put it in crypto too. Stocks and crypto, they like the same thing. You can put it in crypto like Bitcoin and things like that. Solana, Ethereum, different little coins like that. So boom. Alright, so the next step after applying for your business, you wanna now it's time for you to get a loan. Now your credit is good, you apply for your business, you got good income and everything. Now it's time for you to get a loan. Now you go get your loan. Most people would get a car loan, but you could get like a secured loan, a personal loan, home loan, pledge loan, whatever kind of loan. It's different kind of loan. But like you could get whatever kind of loan, but some people like to get car loans. Boom, get you a car loan, boom. Go get you a car, pay it off one time and everything. You could go get a car loan now because you got good credit now. So you could go in the bank and get a car loan and buy a new car because your credit good. So boom. So go get you a car loan now. Go get you a car loan. Go get you a car loan. But to get approved for the car loan, you have to have good credit, and you have to have low credit utilization. You have to have like multiple credit cards. So after your Capital One credit card, apply for another credit card. But at this point, credit card is going to be hitting you up so you can sign up for them. You're going to be pre-approved for credit cards. But get you a different credit card, like get you an American Express, Blue Cash, Everyday. If you in Chase, go get you Chase, Freedom Unlimited. Get you a second credit card at least. Then boom, now go apply for your loan. Because you're not going to get approved from the loan if they don't see activity on your credit. If you just got one credit card and your credit go up, yeah, that's good. But they want to see like you pay your bills on time, you know what I mean? You making a good income from your job, and you have different credit like credit cards, and then a loan will boost your credit up too if you get approved for it and you pay it on time and everything. So boom, now you got your loan. Pay your car loan off on time and everything. Boom, now your credit up even more. Now you at probably 800. So boom, now you had your business. You was promoting your business. You were doing your little thing, and now it's time for you to get a business loan. You have to have some type of revenue coming in from your business to get a business loan, because they're going to be like, well, how you going to pay me back if you ain't got no money from your business? That's why I said promote your business and do your thing with your business before you apply for the business loan. Business loan is last. Now you rich now. You done did all that. Now you rich with this business loan. You got your YouTube, your social medias, you got your credit popping, you got your credit, you got your car loan, you got all this different things. You got your stocks, your crypto. So when it's time for you to get your business credit and they give it to you, you should be rich. Now you rich. Now you up. So boom, now you got your business credit, you investing it into your business, now your business popping even more. You can invest a little bit more into like stocks. And then when you do have a business and you get a business loan, you could get different things like tax write-offs. So you could get a car and it could be a tax write-off. They won't tax, you won't have to pay taxes for it. You could get anything for your business, trucks, if you cut hair, clippers, or fucking open you a barbershop. So now you up now because you got the business loan. And now with the business loan, you just take advantage of that, keep going so on and so forth, and then you just keep elevating. You get richer, 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 richer. Thanks for watching, man. I appreciate y'all, all that. I mean, this is a little bit of free game right here on how to get rich. I mean, that's just how you do it, step by step. Like, I ain't really skipped no steps. I told y'all the key. We got to get out here and execute it, and then, go up. So thank you. Thank y'all for watching. I want y'all to subscribe so y'all could continue to see my journey as I get richer and as I get rich myself, I'm just doing my thing right now. I mean, I'm still in the process. I ain't reached all the steps yet. I'm like in the middle. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn me up so y'all can see my journey. Keep following me so y'all can see my journey as I go. And y'all grow with me. So thanks for watching. Peace.